Mga nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Gesto. And for today's episode 59, mga must-try foods and drinks by Clearance Frozen and Dry Goods Retailing. And Dry Goods Retailing is a one-stop and go-to store for your milk tea supplies and equipments, frozen and street food products, dry foods, packaging supplies, and pang-negosyo needs, plus Alice ice cream products. They specialize in milk tea supplies from the ingredients of milk teas to equipment and packaging with a variety of brands to choose from. Would suit one's milk teapreneur budget and target market. They are conducting training as well to their interested milk teapreneurs for small to big businessmen. They aim trainees will learn not only about the recipes but also this professional special course will teach them the end-to-end process of starting their own milk tea business. They're located at number 2 Santo Rosario Building, corner Ledesma, Fuentes Street, Iloilo City, beside ES School and in front of East West Bank. Store opens Monday to Saturday starting 9 a.m. until 5 p.m. Products offered for milk tea, toppings, syrup, palamig, french fries or fries powder, frozen goods, packaging, and equipments. For milk tea packages, for home business, for 5,000, for basic store business, for 15,000, and for premium, for 25,000. And for full details when it comes to their menu, packages, and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Clearance Frozen and Dry Goods Retailing. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nos! So if your drinks and foods by Clearance Frozen and Dry Goods Retailing. So these are all their finished products in each of their categories and also for their frozen foods. Lahat po ng drinks dito, different brands and different ingredients, and also they're using 16 ounce for their U-Cups. But before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. Comment down below kung anong foods or drinks or brands na gusto nyo try for Clearance, Frozen, and Dry Goods Retailing. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And small favor lang, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po huwag nyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel. So I'm very excited mga nos to taste their products. This will be my very first na i-feature ko yung milk tea, packaging, frozen, or dry goods for this episode. Okay, let's start for our first product, classic milk tea for 16 ounce. It has a perfect classic essence for this drink. Nandun yung sweetness, properly proportioned, and also for its pearls. Very gooey, very soft, very easy to eat. Tapos when it comes sa tea essence, on point siya. Hindi siya super strong, sakto yung lasa niya. For our next product, under Guangkong brand, is their Tiger Sugar Milk Base for 16 ounce. Ito very distinctive yung ingredients or flavors. So on point yung sugar level and also for its brown sugar. When it comes sa milk base, very creamy siya. By the way mga nos, itong classic milk tea nila, it has a ingredients for Taiwan brand. Next product under Taiwan brand, these are White Rabbit with Oreo walling for 16 ounce. For this drink, nandun yung perfection for its Oreo granules, yung White Rabbit essence, and also for its sugar level. Nag-well-balance yung lahat ng 3 flavors in one drink. For next product, under Guangkong brand, these are passion fruit with nata for 16 ounce. Very refreshing drink. Tapos yung unang makikin sa akin is yung natural flavor for this product for passion fruit. Tapos when it comes to nata jelly, ito hindi siya nag-overpower sa sweetness. Very tender. Gustuhan ko din dito, hindi siya yung ordinary size for typical chorizo. Ito, malaki na siya at mahaba. So, perfect for breakfast or any meals. Okay, for rating mga kanos, for all of their drinks in different brands and categories, I'll give it a perfect 10. And for their foods, I'll give it a perfect 10. And yung drink na pwede ko suggest for healthy and refreshing, I would suggest si passion fruit with nata. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for chocolate lovers, I would suggest si Hershey's, si cookies and cream, and also si Nutella White Rabbit. And yung drinks na pwede ko suggest for tea essence, I would suggest si classic milk tea, and also for Okinawa milk tea. And for on-the-go drinks, I would suggest si Tiger Sugar, milk base, and also for White Rabbit. And yung foods na pwede ko suggest for family gathering or Barkada Pika-Pika, I would suggest yung french fries nila by Mondel, and also yung kikiam by Shanghai. And yung food na pwede ko suggest for meals, especially for breakfast, I would suggest their pork chorizo. At when it comes to drinks sila, in each of their categories, kahit different brands, ito, maintain nila yung consistency, very persistent when it comes to ingredients, and also yung basic standard procedure when it comes sa packaging, sa ingredients, yung sugar level, yung syrups, yung powders, and also for its texture. Frozen and dry goods nila, it has an excellent taste, perfect na perfect talaga siya. Di lang sila supplier but also they provide you a more informative and very knowledgeable information when it comes to starting your own milk tea business or food establishment here in Iloilo City. And also, I would like to thank yung Clearon Frozen and Dry Goods Retailing family for accommodating me, for assisting me, for giving me inputs. Binigyan ako nila ng surprise birthday present from Bench. Meron din sila nakasulat dito na small message. So, basahin ko lang. Dear Mr. Maiko, thank you for spending your time with us to include us on your Drinking Nose vlogs. More power and God bless you. From Clearon, Frozen and Dry Goods, Milk Tea Supplies. Thank you so much. Speechless talaga ako dito sa early birthday present nila. Bench alcohol gel. Ayan. Tapos binigyan ako nila ng small remembrance. Ayan. Cute. Alcohol gel. Ayan. From Bench din. And also binigyan ako ng frozen foods. Yung kikiam by Shanghai. And also yung french fries by Mondel. And most especially yung Yakult nila. Yes po, nagsusupply sila ng Yakult. So kapag gusto nyo mag-order ng bulk orders, just visit their Facebook page and other contact details. Clearance, Frozen, and Dry Goods Retailing has good quality of products, excellent service, very accommodating baristas and owners, budget-friendly, and is certified Drinking Nose standards approved. So once again, thank you and congratulations to Clearance, Frozen, and Dry Goods Retailing. Keep safe mga nose,